If you're turning 65 and you still have group insurance, do you actually need to enroll in Medicare right now? A couple of things to keep in mind is whether you're getting it through yourself or through your legally married spouse. If the health insurance is through an employer that has over 20 employees, then it's automatically considered credible insurance, or it's as good as better than an original Medicare. In other words, you won't get penalized for staying on that group insurance and waiting to go into Medicare when you lose that insurance at that point of retirement. Now, that 20 employees does not mean it has to be 20 employees at your place of employment. Perhaps you're at a smaller employer, and it even includes, though, part-time employees. At that point in time, what that means then is you can keep that insurance because it's your primary insurance, and if you were to enroll in Medicare at the same time, it would only pay secondary. So you're double paying for coverage that don't coordinate very well together. The other thing to keep in mind is whether you want to enroll in Medicare right now or not, is if you have an HSA, a health savings account. This is not an FSA, a flex spending account or anything like that. It is specifically an HSA. Specifically, if you're contributing to an HSA. You can have an HSA while on Medicare, you can use an HSA while on Medicare, but you cannot contribute to an HSA while on Medicare. So if you want to continue to make contributions on your HSA, you do not want to enroll in any part of Medicare. You will not be penalized for not even enrolling in Part A of Medicare. A lot of times when ones are staying on their group insurance, they still just elect to enroll in Medicare Part A, because as long as you or your spouse have paid taxes for 10 years, there's no monthly premium attached to it. But if you apply for Medicare Part A, then you will then have to stop those HSA contributions or you'll be penalized at tax time. So to recap, if there's over 20 employees, you don't have to enroll in Medicare right away. And if there's an HSA, you don't want to enroll in Medicare Part A either. You want to delay fully in Medicare until you end up losing that group insurance later on.